August is National Wellness Month, the perfect time to make self-care a priority. Of course, not all communities have the same access to education about how to take care of themselves or to services that help facilitate that, which is why today we're joined by Rebecca Gibbs-Thompson and Sharon Thompson, COO and CEO of Healthy Denver, to tell us a little bit about what wellness looks like across communities. Thank you so much for joining us today. Would you tell us a little bit about your organization and what you all kind of define as wellness?
Healthy Denver Inc., we promote health equality in the community for all. We have 5 pillars that we do that with, which is food and nutrition, health and wellness, music and arts, sports and rec, and the kids corner. So we go in the community and do classes, workshops. Sharon herself does art. Sharon's the CEO, and Sharon's the one who started the organization. So you can maybe tell me a little bit more, Sharon?
Yes, through activism, collaboration, classes, that's where we step in and provide access to communities that don't have access to resources for health and wellness. Rebecca does financial wellness classes. That's very important for balance.
Right. Yeah. What would y'all say that the access in Colorado, what does that sort of look like? And what are some of the discrepancies that some of these groups may face when searching for healthcare or even looking for, places to go and talk about those financial well-being stuff as well?
A lot of nothing, because if you don't know where to look, you don't know what to find. We become like a resource for folks.
Yeah.
Because you could go ask the wrong person the right question, but they give you the wrong answer, and now you're stuck in a rock and a hard place. So we kind of come into play to help just the community in a whole, the underserved and under-resourced community, especially the BIPOC and LGBTQ community.
How do y'all kind of get your message out there to connect to these people? And like you said, a lot of the times there's not those places and there's not the correct information out there. So is it them coming to you guys, or are you guys doing a lot of outreach?
We do a lot of grassroots outreach and networking. We have a lot of partners like RTD,
Yeah.
Sand Creek Trail, Calc, Denver, transportation, feminine products, clothing, Coalition for the Homeless. So we're out there in the neighborhoods, in the schools, the churches, the clubs. And people find us now that a lot of people know that we're out there and that we're here to help. A lot of people are starting to find us now.
That's awesome.
That's part of what I was curious about, kind of like the why behind the discrepancies, why you don't see as many, especially BIPOC or queer people, maybe going out and looking for wellness. Do you think it's like the providers that are lacking, and if there are some holes there? Do you think that as a community as a whole, we are just like either conditioned to or just have learned not to ask for help, or don't even know that we need the problem?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Too much pride sometimes to ask for help, not having the resources or the health insurance, as you said. Like, you can get Medicaid sometimes because you have to be within a certain bracket. Your job may not give you health insurance or medical insurance. We provide holistic type resources and partners that we refer to our constituents to when they come ask for resources. We're like, hey, what are you looking for? Do you need a nutritionist? Do you need art? Do you need a workout person, a partner, or a group to be a part of? Or like yoga classes, like we had our festival, Healthy Denver Festival on Sunday. It was our 8th annual festival, and it's just vendors in the communities coming together to build culture and community together.
That's awesome. Well, for anyone who's watching right now, if you had one piece of advice, what would it be in terms of wellness?
Get connected. Get connected with somebody that's doing things that you need, and that will be willing to help you. I mean, that's the first thing is figuring out what you need and then finding that resource and then tapping into that.
Not being too afraid or, afraid to ask because what someone else will think. At the end of the day, your health, your wealth, yourself is more important than anything else. So